Linktree is great, but here's what actually used for. Linktree is not the problem. In fact, it's one of the best tools creators have, but it has a specific job in your business. And here's how to use it correctly when it's perfect and when it's time to add something else. So let me say something clearly before the comment section warms up. Linktree is great. I use it, probably you use it, most creators should use it. It solves a real problem. One link in bio, but have more than one thing to share. That's what Linktree is. It's a traffic router, a hub, a directory, and it's perfect for that job. Think of Linktree like this. It's a lobby for your building. From there, people can go to your TikTok shop, to your YouTube, to your Instagram, to the free guide that you have up in there, or an offer. That's not a funnel, that's navigation. And navigation is very essential. This is the funnel mentality of Linktree. It sits at the top. It catches broad attention. It gives people choices. It lets them self-select where they want to go. That's powerful. And for a lot of creators, that's all they need for a long time. Especially if you're growing in an audience, you're sharing multiple platforms, if you're focused on TikTok shop or don't have one main offer yet. Linktree is perfect for that stage. And yes, the paid plans usually run somewhere around $5 to $20 a month, depending on which feature you want. That's reasonable. You're paying for convenience, simplicity, speed, no tech headaches whatsoever, and totally fair trade. Now here's the nuisance of it. Linktree is a hub. It's not a sales page. It doesn't persuade. It doesn't tell one focused story. It doesn't walk someone through a decision step by step, and that's not a flaw. That's not its job. That's why some people add a simple landing page or a one-page funnel or an email capture page, not to replace Linktree, but to connect to it. Linktree stays in the lobby. The landing page becomes the shop. Same building, different rooms. And that, by the way, Linktree isn't the only option now. Others do a similar job: Beacon, StanStore, Koji, Card, and a few more. Most of them live in the same price range. Free plans and paid plans roughly in that same $5 to $30 a month zone, depending on the features you want. They're all fine. They're all tools. The real question is, what stage of journey am I in? If you're routing traffic and growing on audience, use Linktree probably. If you're selling one main thing and one focus paid, that's not an upgrade in tools, that's an upgrade in strategy. Linktree is not the problem. It's the front door. It was what matters. And it's what you build behind it. Oh, come here. By the way, I just want you to know, I have a link in bio. Scott, peace and progress.